In order to join the Zeqa server on Minecraft PlayStation 5, first and foremost, you need to make sure that you have the PS Plus subscription. Unfortunately, this is not going to work without it. I know it's very unfortunate, but I want to be as transparent as possible. So if you already have the PS Plus subscription, you're good to go. And in that instance, all you need to do is you need to install this app called Bedrock Together that can be found both on the Google Play Store and on the App Store. It is completely free. And then once it's finished installing, press on open. Then where it says IP, just go ahead and type in zeqa.net, and then where it says port, type 19132. Then select on watch, add, and run. And now a few advertisements are going to appear, and you want to wait for them to finish, and then afterwards you should be good to go. All right, so once the advertisement is done, all you need to do is you need to head back over to Minecraft, press on play, and then you're going to see that there's going to be a LAN world, and you just want to go ahead and press on this. You need to make sure that your device is also connected to the Wi-Fi in order for it to work. But all you need to do is you need to go ahead and wait a little bit in order for the server to actually load in. And thankfully, it doesn't really take that long. All right, and here we are in the Zeqa server. And then from here, you're able to get started and have a ton of fun. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.